over there, recording. Are we recording?
Yes.
Okay, anyways, hey guys, Nerf Films here, and today we're going to give you some more tips on how to win Nerf War. I know, Miles wasn't in this one, but I know that a while ago I did one of these with some of my other friends, and
It came out successfully.
we thought it was going to be terrible, considering the quality was just...
But we got 13,000.
But we got like 13,000 views out of it. It was only uploaded like a year ago, so
Pretty good.
we thought we'd do another one. So, tip
Here we
one,
are.
you always need to have a primary. By that I mean like a big gun. Don't just like walk around with like a jolt like, pew, I need to reload.
But you didn't have a problem when I did that.
That's different.
Okay.
Anyways,
Number two.
you always need to bring toilet paper, okay?
Are you sure that was on the list?
Dang it! Anyways,
It should be.
number two.
No, number 3.
I mean, anyways, number 3, I guess. You always you shouldn't be wearing bright colored clothes like him. See? No.
I have nothing to do with this.
But you shouldn't be wearing like a giant like a neon shirt.
Like
or
me.
something. Well, it's not really neon; it's just rainbows. Because you want to blend it with your surroundings if you're like trying to snipe somebody.
Like him.
So, anyways, so that's number 3. Number 4, what's number 4 then?
I think it has something to do with always have a barrier.
Oh yeah. If you're building a fort, which I highly recommend,
You must have barriers.
yeah, you should always have like something to protect against your enemies.
Because if you're
Like
just like,
this.
pew, that won't work.
Wait, what? Dang it, it's jammed. Hang on. Freaking kidding me? You kidding me right now?
Dude, I think you should go on.
Anyways, number 5, you should always have a base so that if one of your team members calls retreat, like, as I was saying, for the barrier, like this. I'll get those later anyways.
Dude, those bullets are gonna be hard to find.
Who cares? Anyways, so tip 5. You should always have like a base, so like if one of your team members says like retreat or something, you'll know where to go. You won't just be like running around like maniacs. Anyways, that's all we have for you today.
No, I have one that's not under this though.
What?
So don't pretend if you're getting shot. Don't pretend that you're getting hurt because you know if you watch some other Nerf film tips, it doesn't go so well. So yeah.
Anyways,
Nerf films
signing out. Wait, are you still recording?